I am proud of myself. The road hasn't always been easy, but I'm choosing to stay the course. I give myself grace and love as I grow in this season. I will not allow external circumstances to rob me of my internal peace. Yeah, my feelings are important, but they don't control me. I make room for my feelings. I acknowledge my feelings, and I release the feelings that flow against my healing. I have a sound mind. I am not crazy. My feelings matter. I will make decisions in my life based on who I am and where I'm going, not solely on how I feel. I choose to release anger, anxiety, and frustration. I reclaim my peace. I reclaim my joy. It is well with my soul. There is more working for me than against me. I will remain calm and centered in frustrating situations. How people act towards me has nothing to do with my worth. I release people who don't see and value the fullness of my humanity. If people criticize me, I can survive that. Nothing says that I have to be perfect. I will not hold on to things that no longer serve me. I'm gonna be okay.